This is the video explanation of experiment 2, feature selection and feature extraction. The first question is read the dataset. First, the dataset is loaded into Python using the pandas library with the read CSV function. Second question is remove unnecessary columns. In this step, some columns that are not useful for predictions are removed from the dataset. Uh, Example include columns that contain redundant information or irrelevant attributes. Removing unnecessary features helps simplify the dataset and improve model performance. The third question is detect the column containing outliers. In this tip, some columns that are not useful for prediction are removed from the dataset. Example include columns that here we check which numerical columns contain extreme values or outliers. This is usually done using statistical method like the IQR method. Columns with many outliers may require cleaning because they can negatively affect the machine learning models. Uh, Fourth question is remove low variance features. Variance measures how much a feature changes across the dataset. If a column has very low variance, it means most values are almost the same. Such features provides very little information, so they are usually removed. The fifth question is calculate correlation with a target variable. In this step, we calculate the correlation between each feature and the target variable. Correlation helps us understand how strongly a feature influences the target. Feature with higher correlation are usually more useful for prediction. The sixth question is uh, drop features with low correlation. Features that have a very weak correlation with the target variable may not contribute much to prediction. Therefore, these features are removed from the dataset. This reduces complexity and helps the model focus on more important variables. Identify high correlated input features. The seventh question. Sometimes two input features may be strongly correlated with each other. This situation is called multi-collinearity and can confuse machine learning models. So we identify feature pairs whose correlation is greater than a certain threshold, such as zero point 0.8. Remove one feature from highly correlated pairs is the eighth question. After identifying highly correlated feature pairs, we remove one feature from each pair. Usually, the feature with lower correlation to the target variable is removed. This helps reduce the redundancy in the dataset. Separation input feature and target variable is the ninth question. Machine learning datasets are usually divided into two parts: input feature and input feature X contains the independent variable used for prediction, while the target variable Y is the output we want the model to predict. Uh, the tenth question is select the best feature selection. So, yeah. Select K-best is a feature selection technique used to choose the most important feature. It evaluates each feature using statistical tests and selects the top K features with the highest score. This helps reduce dimensionality and improve model efficiency. Uh, 11th question is mutual information. Mutual information measures how much information of a feature provides about the target variable. Here, mutual information score means the feature has a strong relationship with the target. Principal component analysis, the 12th question. PCA is a dimensionality reduction technique used to reduce the number of features in a dataset. It transforms the original feature into new variables called the principal components. 13th question is a linear discriminant analysis, also known as LDA. LDA is another dimensionality reduction method used mainly for classification problems. It transforms the data into a lower dimensional space while maximizing the separation between classes. This helps improve classification performance. 14th question is image feature extraction. In this step, image is read. In this step, image is read and converted into numerical features. The mean value of pixels or other statistical properties are calculated. This allows image to be used as input for machine learning models. Thank you.